What's up, sweathearts? Get ready for the tutorial for Esos jeans by Solido. This is an arm song. You're going to feel the burn in your arms. Let's get started. Nice and easy step. I'm going to do this whole thing facing you instead of the mirror, but you can see it in actual in-studio with music for that one. But we're going to start with just a little stomp, side to side. 1, 2. Just here. Bum, 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 bum. And you're going to keep this little side step through the whole number. If you want a little more, you can add a little jump if you're up for it. If you're not comfortable with moving that, just bend your knees. And if the knees don't work good, just the hips. And if you can't move the hips, just the arms. But we're going to get started. So we have this step, step. And the arms are going to start with just across the body. Down, I'll do it nice and slow just to show. They just go cross in blades, arms are in blades here. So not the normal merengue step, but just cross and cross. We're going to try to keep our elbows up for this whole song and really work those arms. So we start with just side to side here. Then we move up and down, up and down. And keep this nice and tight. The entire song, the chorus will be nice and tight. We're just doing these blades side, up and down. Next section is side and up. We go side, side, up, up, side, side, up. It's a little bit of one of these, but you're just going to do the side, side, and switch right to up, 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 up. Side, side, tap, tap, up, up. Next section is the diagonal, side to side. And we're going to, every time we bring the arm down, we're going to squeeze the abs here on the side, side, side. So we're just tap, 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 tap. Beautiful. Then palms come up, and arms are up to the side, and we're going to flex the biceps. And actually, when you squeeze those biceps, you're actually working the biceps. So we're really going to squeeze the arms, pump them, pump, and pump. Good. Then palms open towards the front. Beautiful right angle here. And we're just going to squeeze together and open. Now make sure when you open that you don't go past. You don't want to open the chest too much because we're really working the chest muscles here. Keep the arms a little bit in front of you. You close here, squeezing here, and then open back up. Again, right to your side but not pass. A little bit in front of the shoulders, front, and open. Right there. Arms are going to start to feel it right here. Then we're going to keep the elbows here in this nice square, and we're going to do our touchdowns. We're going to go forward and up. Traffic control. Yeah, so here comes the plane. Here and here. Right angle, arms are up, and when we come right to the table, right to the tabletop. Pop and pop. Good. Shake it out, shake it out. Next section, we're here. Again, we're going to keep those elbows nice and high, and we're going to press like we're slapping someone else. If someone was standing here like this with their hands like this, we're slapping their hands. So we're using the whole arm to hit. Don't drop the elbows and give me any chickens here. Keep the elbows up nice and tight and really push, push, push down. The next section comes crisscross in front. We're going here. We'll bring it in, crisscross, and we'll bring it out. Then we have one more section before a little bit of a break. We're going to take the palms up. And we're going to give me little spirit fingers, jazz hands here. And this is the only time we're going to move forward to back. We're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Keep those arms up. Again, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next section is going to feel like a break because we finally drop the elbows and we pull back. And we're going to take the arms in front of us. We're going to squeeze the back muscles here. We're going to go squeeze, 4, squeeze, 4. Tap, 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 tap. Fabulous. Next section, as we squeeze here, we get ready. I'm going to show it to the side. We're going to tilt at the hips, bring it nice and low, and we're going to do some triceps. We're going to keep the fists here, keep the body's elbows next to the body, and we're just going to kick it back here. So we're still moving those feet. Hips are going, we're pulling the belly button in. We're going back and in, back and in. After that section, we're going to alternate arms. Same thing. Keep those elbows nice and high and working those triceps. Then we come up and we have a crisscross behind the back. So it comes behind the back. I'll show it turning around. We just go crisscross. Keep the arms as straight as you can and really feeling that there. You're going to feel that right here in the front of the arm on that one. Crisscross. Next section, open up those hands, make the fists, and release. Now, you're going to see a real fist here. You're going to start seeing the hands are going to start turning white as the blood runs out of them. But it's going to start pumping up those arms. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Like water out of a washcloth. We just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. First section's here. Second section's here. Third section's here. You're really going to tighten up those arms. Then you do get a break. We're going to shake out those hands. We're going to shake the arms up. We're gonna shake them down, and then we have one more section, arms come out. Remember, the feet are still going, but I'm gonna show them without. Big arm circles forward, so I'll show it to the side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Double time, little circles. Tap, 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 tap. Reverse, big circles back. 4, 3, 2, 1. And little circles. Tap, 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 tap. Palms come up, palms come forward, palm comes side, and we have 8 biceps to finish. We count down 8, 7, or in Spanish, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're there. You're gonna feel those arms, you're gonna feel it the next day. Keep doing this one, getting nice and strong. That's all the choreography. Let's dance it.